outer part of air condition exhaust more carbon dioxide in atmospheres. So in order to resist carbon dioxide, in order to tackle carbon dioxide, I have grown a lot of trees at my village. These trees are also called agroforestry. Because had there been no trees, there would have been no birds. So as trees are also a home for birds. So there's no doubt this is an outer part of air conditions. So in order to resist carbon dioxide, we are planting more and more trees side by side of my homes. Give them water. So guys, this is the need of ours. When you purchase heavy vehicles, for example heavy cars, heavy containers, then you have to play an active role for the societies, live for others, or for others who are unable to afford air conditions, who are unable to make them cool. So you have to grow more and more trees in order to make the environment more and more peaceful. So guys, trees make the environment beautiful. They are also source of scenic beauties, home for various birds. They are also a source of honey. So they are also a source of rains. We have to grow more and more trees. So this is where we need to go. Now this is very important vlog. This vlog is basically trees versus AC. No doubts, this time the whole world, the whole global needs more and more plants, more and more trees. This time the whole world community is in the grip of global warming. We are facing the problems of heat stroke, heat stress. In order to make the environment more cool, in order to kick back the global warming, this is the need of ours. No doubts, individually we can afford AC for our rooms, but for the whole world, if we want to make the whole world schools, then we have to grow more and more plants, more and more trees, and it is our own responsibility to inform the children about the importance of trees. This is very important vlog, so stay with us. So we go towards the agroforestry, have a look on that. No guys, we are standing outside of our rooms. This is outer part of air conditions. No doubts, when we afford luxuries, when we afford comforts, it creates various problems for the whole society. It exhausts carbon dioxide in a large quantity that creates the problems of global warming, problems of heat stroke, problems of heat stress. So it is a need of ours that we should inform in our schools, colleges, universities, and all the social medias platforms. For example, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube should be utilized for that purpose, and also print media should inform people that they must grow more and more plants in order to resist global warming. This is where we need to go. So guys, this is my homes. I have grown a lot of trees side by side of my homes. So you have a look on all these trees. These trees are also called agroforestry. All types of trees are to be found here. For example, so guys, big and small trees are also to be found here. This is a tree which is to be very high. These are also trees which are too high. So there are so many trees. These are to be found on the borders of agriculture areas, side by side of food crops. There is no denying the fact that if a man is poor, he can live without homes. he can live under the open sky, but no doubts, without oxygen, a man cannot live alive. In order to live alive, oxygen is the need of ours. So in order to give oxygen to the whole world, we have to grow more and more trees, more and more plants. This is a good approach. Everybody should act upon this positive activity. In short, guys, the trees are a key to open the doors of life. Without trees, life is impossible. So make the life possible to grow more and more trees, to grow more and more plants. Take care. Allah Hafiz.